Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, my new rectifiers arrived today, so I didn't waste any time, and I have mounted one on one of the green lock-ons. Now, this is a bit crude, of course, but this is just a test. Anyway, so we now have a full-wave bridge rectifier built into a magnetic lock-on. So I've got this attached to the third rail with the Caterpillar locomotive that I built yesterday. So let's apply power and see how this runs. Power is on, so we bring up the power, and as you see, we definitely have DC going to this rail. As you see, running nice and slow on DC. Let's bring the power up. And we still have plenty of power available, no doubt. Remember, this is actually a Lionel diesel locomotive under that shell. So the lock-on is working absolutely splendidly. So the lock-on is now a full-wave bridge rectifier, as you see. So now it's just a matter of how do I mount it on the lock-on to make it look good and protect it from damage. So that's step 2. We know it works, there's no doubt about that. This is running this locomotive absolutely splendidly, as you see, and I have much more control over speed on DC than I would ever have on AC. You see this thing's crawling around this rail. That's about as slow as I can run it, I think. So as you see, supplying straight DC to the rail just by adding the magnetic lock-on. So it has a full-wave bridge rectifier mounted in the lock-on itself. So you now have a rectifier that will run virtually anything. You can use this lock-on to run AC locomotives, or you can use it to run DC locomotives. And all you have to do is hook it to the track and run whatever locomotive you want. It will run either one. But as you see, it is running on straight DC, coming off a 1033 transformer, going straight through this full-wave bridge rectifier that's actually mounted on the cord. So now it's just a matter of making it look nice and, of course, protecting it to keep it from getting damaged during use. So it works. It's up and running. Full-wave bridge rectifier built into the lock-on. And we still have plenty of top end, as you see. And yet we can slow this thing down to an absolute crawl. And you cannot do this on AC, period. You simply cannot. All right, so the lock-on works with the built-in full-wave bridge rectifier. So like I said, I've just got to find a way to mount this, make it look nice, and of course protect it during use. But it's mounted on the cord, as you see, and it is an instant rectifier. You just throw this on the rail and you have DC. So you can run AC locomotives, you can run DC locomotives, you can run virtually anything just by using this lock-on. So in any case, it's up and running, it works. Now I just got to figure out how to mount this thing and take it from there. It definitely works. Anyway, just want to do a quick video on this. I just got these rectifiers in the mail today. As you see, it runs AC locomotives, it runs DC locomotives. And again, you can really, really slow these things down. You simply cannot do this on AC. So this rectifier magnetic lock-on works. It works absolutely perfectly. So anyway, I just want to do a video to document this. This is the first lock-on with the built-in full-wave rectifier. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.